So it's getting really dark because that middle strip is transparent. Okay, so the middle strip, which is the transparent, is completely at sugar now. And the outside is getting there.
By the way, Jocelyn is asking, after the top is done, please show the bottom so that we can see if there is any change.
I will do that. A lot of times, like, I like foundation white a lot and use it frequently. So if I do the counter enamel in foundation white, the more I fire it, the more there'll be little brown specks in it. I don't know what they are. I'm suspecting some kind of oxidation from the copper, but they're not unpleasant to look at. And I do have a piece with me I can show you and let you see how that looks.
A question from Mondo Maker Sally. Jen, if I stamped in a design into my disc before doming, is there a way I could get that enamel to stay within the stamped area to bring out that design?
We will be covering that tomorrow.
Ooh.
And how to do that. So once you etch something, you can dome it, and it looks quite nice. Etching doesn't really give you a depth that allows you to wet pack a lot of enamel into the depression caused by the etching. So, but it does allow you to put transparent over it completely and still see the etching, which is quite pretty. So we'll be doing that tomorrow.
Mondo Maker Bree asks, Jen, do enamels tend to be true to the same color as the powder before firing?
No. I've had some